I've been the streaming on the first day. I think we done was like on the 5th. Me and you together. We didn't really, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I remember it was like it was just literally me and you.
Yeah,
So
that's it.
now, enough chit chat. Um, let's talk. Um, what do we say? What do you want me to say about this market that I haven't already said yesterday? It's fucked. Sorry for the language, but the Monday high is the same. The Monday low, like so far. This is Monday low so far.
Uncertainty. Look at this candle. People don't know what to do.
Where is this trade resources? I think you post this or no? Bro, where did you post that? You know what I'm
What?
talking about. The guys lifting at the gym.
Huh?
You know what I'm talking about. Like the fucking the strength of the candle. You made this post.
Oh. Oh. Traders Alpha maybe? Yeah. I think Traders Alpha.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah. Traders
Aha.
Alpha.
Let's talk about this post. Buyers are in full control. Sellers are in full control. Sellers showed strength, but buyers outperformed them. This is us right now.
This is us. Yeah. It's not us. This is the market.
No, this is the market right now in this last candle. Okay, it's shit, bro. Oh, okay. No, never mind. It's this now. I don't know. The market doesn't know what to do. We're in the middle of nowhere.
I think
I'm
the big money wants the people to be so exhausted so they will dump PTC.
They give up.
They want people to give up. They want traders to give up. They want institutions to give up. Somebody is fighting for a position at the lower prices, and when these lower prices will hit and will take those guys that are 24,500, something like that, then they will make a move. So now they're just playing the patience game, you know, getting exhausted, exhausting everything, everybody. They want people out of the market. You think they will try? You think they will rocket BTC to the sky when people are getting ready for this? Never.
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 It comes in unexpected.
Most of the traders will be asleep when this happened. They will sleep on this.
I was
This
asleep
is
in
how the
January.
market works. Like,
Of course. We don't need to talk about, what happened in the military, Whittleton, but you know and I know that we strike at dawn when everyone is asleep. Unexpected, relentless. That's how the market is. But
before the birds coming up and before the sun coming up.
now, do you
The
think
most unaccepted moments. Yeah.
do you think this is a long, bro?
No.
This is not a long.
I don't like the cloud on the right.
This one here.
With this, yes.
I know how you
This
like your cloud.
deepness.
I know how you like the cloud.
If it's a long, it will be money not from the market, from somebody with a big money.
Liquidating someone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My opinion.
Of course. And
My
that's
opinion, because you see how many weeks we have there? Like, there's sellers everywhere. Sellers everywhere.
Absolute douchebags, huh?
You know what? We can open the CVD on Tomo, on the daily CVD
go.
spot.
Oh, bro, I already know the answer for that. Why are you doing this? I know it's.
I wanna see.
Okay.
I wanna see who's playing there.
Let's talk. Okay, we're still weak. Let's look at 1 hour. We play simple, ladies and gentlemen. We look at CVD futures. We look at the spot. We look at the liquidations. We look at the open interest, and we see. Oh,
I wish I am wrong, because this is a nice long.
you're not wrong. It's
nothing. It's nothing.
nothing.
Fake.
It's fake.
It's fake.
It's all fake.
They
But
trying to take our money. I'm not giving a penny for this coin. I'm not giving a penny to anyone.
I think this one here
Like,
is some shorts, some shorts closing. That's the only reason for that move. This is why you see a little bit of liquidation here. Um, you're right. You're right in a sense, but very small risk. 2% for me, okay? Nothing more.
it's worth to pay attention. It's
Hey,
worth
yeah,
to
yeah,
pay attention.
definitely, definitely. Plus, I need something to hedge my shorts. Yeah, I have three
That will
shorts.
be a good one.
This is the only thing in the whole market right now that I have as a long.
This
I
is
have,
the only long that I can find in the market as well, you know. I've been through the all 150 coins I have on my list, and only Tomo looks like this.
yeah, exactly. And
Only Tomo. Well, the super trend is kind of scary, but
I know,
it's a
I
nice
know.
take profit over there.
I'm hoping that this will get chopped, like how Solana chopped the 4 hour. Um,
Mm.
where is it? Here?
Like, how can you explain me this candle? Look,
Which one?
there's
Which one?
a nice buying candle. The like a hammerhead, a bullish hammerhead.
Give me a
And
second.
then after it ended, there's not really move. Nothing happened. Like wasn't big move. Was nothing.
I'm trying to see if
I see him.
I want to be wrong here. I really want to be wrong so I can close the trade. Yeah, I do. I do. I want to be wrong. Let's see. We got we got two we got two touches here. Almost touch here, front run, which shows that it's bullish. This little box here. Okay. Okay, it was front run by 2%. Okay, that's one. We can say that this is also another point where it bounced. I'm trying to see
I know Tomo is a coin that likes to be pumped, but
by itself. And when it dumps by itself, remember?
yeah.
So it has its own personality. This is what I like about this coin. But how much do I like it enough to long it and risk my money? Ah, that's the question. Let's fine tune this to be perfect, yeah? Let's fine tune it. I want to be wrong and I want to exit this position. I'm actually finding reasons to exit this position. But last time I faded Tomo, he fucked me, bro. Right here. And then did that move. Anyway, that's the pass we're talking about now. In 1 hour and 53 minutes, bro.
Dana.
No
How's it
way.
going?
He's here.
Is my mic okay?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Bro.
Let me switch to my phone. I wanna get a smoke outside.
Oh man. Okay, while you do that, I think
Not weed. It's a tobacco.
You don't have to tell anyone that. Look, welcome to the stream, Stana. I just want to let you know I'm not crazy for taking this long. This is the only long that's available on the market right now.
Oh wait, I haven't joined your stream. Give me a second.
We are.
Oh yeah, that's Tomo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it above the thing? You
Yeah.
know what? So what's your line at 1.0362? So my one is at let's see. So before I saw your chart, I had mine at
Bro, did you? When was this? Did you short Tomo and got 9% move? And
whatever I saw, whatever I put there, yeah.
What do you mean you done all these shorts by yourself?
Yeah, like during the weekend.
What the fuck do you mean you were doing this on the weekend and I wasn't even here?
Yeah.
Bro, this is your first week of trading. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this talent that we got here.
Oh my god.
Look at this talent that we got here. Look at this talent, guys. Guys, honestly.
Bro, you got bake. Nice. I faded bake.
I could have. I should have like got out like earlier. That's all. Like this is actually already like after.
Yo, yo, yo,
Yeah.
yo, yo. Let's shout out
I was
to
greedy.
let's have a shout out to all the winners of the weekend. Look at these degens. Absolute. Even when I said, guys, do not trade this weekend. If you are risk manage, I'm watching you. This is what you guys give me. Make me drool. You guys, I respect your confidence and in your skill because I don't believe in risk. I only believe in skill. And look at this. Guys, did we talk about Tomo at all this week? At all? No, we didn't. He did this by himself.
Nothing.
And so did this guy. This is our top performer for the weekend. We got a Rune Long at 70%, and we got a Tomo at 90%. You guys should be very proud of yourself. Whittleton and myself were out this weekend, and you guys absolutely fucked the market. Wow.
I didn't put much though.
It doesn't matter. It's the percentage. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's all about learning. Money will come. You could say, bro, you aped into a position. Wape too. Fucking hell, Whittleton. What did we create? Just bunch of monsters. I don't know.
I'm shocked, to be honest.
Here I am, trading high leverage 25x, predicting 4% move, and then he got stunned in his first week, showing 9% predictions.
91% on 10x short.
That's a 9%
Jesus,
move.
bro.
Oh man, unbelievable. I don't know what to say. I can't teach this guy anything. You are not promoted to the owner of the stream.
No.
Please, man. All right, let's I was right in having Project Warzone Stunner. See, remember what I said to you, Whittleton, before he joined?
There you go. You got the results.
It's him. It's all him.
You saw this.
I just knew that he'll perform because he's a dickhead like that. Every time he puts his mind into something, he'll be good at it. I remember when he was playing Dota.
I love it when I have the weak days of mine and you guys like bombing it.
Yeah.
I'm so glad it happened. It's amazing.
I took a day off. Whittleton didn't trade. I didn't trade. You guys made your own trades, and you guys outperformed all of us. Well, that's good. See, man. Now, fuck you short. I'm gonna counter trade you now.
It's gone. I already exited. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the only thing I have on the market that is a long.
What's your top line? 1.0362. Oh. Okay. Oh, my one's a bit high then. My one's at 1.045.
Hang on though. Before we do anything, I just need to remind you guys that we need to change the colors into black. Okay. Okay. Now this is it. This is the overview of Tomo. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what it is. We can come. It doesn't matter if we're long or if we're short. We have different opinions. That's fine. We are a team. But as much as
this one, I saw the long as well, but I don't know if it's gonna just stabilize in this area.
Well, I want people to be chasing this short, right? Because like this is the levels that we play. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, guys, but that's a sell order block here. The big order block came from here, and it filled this auto block. What the fuck is this? And this, we filled up this auto block down here. Like, what do you want me to say?
Same.
Like, can like, you know what I mean? If we are bullish, then we keep going. Or technically speaking, the stop loss needs to be here. But I want to keep it. I want to keep it tight. I want to implement high level of triggers. Why high level of trigger? Why high level? Well, first and foremost, let's turn this all off. We're recording. Yes, great. We're recording. Great. Triggers. This is the triggers. Okay, we went under. Is that a cup and handle? Or is that a W, Middleton? I don't know.
Yeah, why not?
Well, even if it was, we are above this line right now. So in our community, we practice high probability trades, don't we? Now, if we are bullish, we shouldn't be targeting that. Now, here's the problem. We have such low volume across the market, okay? One little move could take the trade either way. That's why I haven't put any 5% trades recently. They've been like 1, 2%, 1, 2%, whatever. You know what I mean? We keep it simple. We keep it humble. You know what I mean? But now this is 1, 2, 3, 4. We want this 4-hour candle already to close above this line. Now, if we turn on the 4-hour Ichimoku, this is actually one of Whittleton's method I teach him. We've got the 4-hour confirmation inside the conversion with it stabilizing. Now, in order for this to continually move upwards, it would be nice to have the conversion up here as well, if that makes sense, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be nice, but then the move will be here already. Now, I'm anticipating for a high trigger. Now, the trigger is this. I said we'll be talking about triggers, and this is the trigger. The breakdown, this wick, right? And then we went down 1, 2, like 2 nice long tail here. There's a lot of demand here. This is good demand here. Good demand zone. Okay, that's a good demand zone. So what we want is this candle to engulf every single one of this, and it did. It even engulf this one. This whole move has been deleted. It's here now, above the conversion, above that line. Support, 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 sell order block. Up here, resistance, dump. And then up here, rejected, resistance. Up here, and then we turn from bear. All these sellers, all these shorters got absorbed. All these shorters got absorbed. And now they're closing the position. Now, what's going to happen if we start bidding here in the spot? Now, the problem is Whittleton is right. Stunner hasn't seen this yet. He's probably saying, what the fuck is this? You're right. Inside...
I saw this, but I just don't know what this is.
Alright. What drives a market is more than just people buying and selling. Okay? There's so many different factors. Apart from fundamentals, apart from technical analysis, there's also the inside the market. What is it? You got a buy and sell volume. Who's more stronger? Is it the sellers or is it the buyers? You know what I mean? Now, this is fucked. Now, the futures, the CVD futures stablecoin, this is like a marginalized stablecoin. Okay, this is like stablecoins that like a pair that you can buy that are margin. So like Tomo USDT 3x. You know what I mean? Then you got this thing here, CVD spot. Now, man, I pray to God right now this starts curling, or else my longs are gonna be in big trouble. Or at least this green that you see now is shorts closing. If you see a big open interest like this, and you know that there's a big movement downwards, this is shorts piling. Red doesn't necessarily mean, because open interest is both longs and shorts. Please understand that, guys. Yeah. Now you see a movement that is green. Oh well, you see a red movement like this. after a big short, this whole move here was shorts piling. That's why you see like 103%, like 109% in open interest. That was all shorts. Now what's gonna happen when those shorts start closing? That was a question for someone to answer. What happens when shorts start closing?
Price goes up.
Yes, but we need like, and this is where these liquidations happen. Just recently, at 2 o'clock, a short got liquidated. 86k here, and the price moved up. Now I'm to be honest with you, it just takes one dickhead with money and a couple of phone calls to push this upwards. I hope look, I want to be wrong here. I really do. I really want to be wrong, and I don't mind being wrong, but this is the only long that I can see on the market right now. I think Whittleton can confirm, and I can confirm. Like everywhere we look, is all like death. Everything looks like death. Everything look like this. Everything looks like this. Oh my god, I'm like BNB. I'm getting a bit nervous here. We'll see what happens in 1 hour and 40 minutes. I can close it early, but otherwise, this is the first trade I will monitor and close. This in this. We had the 4 hour close underneath conversion and under the Kumo, but this is not really a strong trade, and you know why? Because we got a conversion here. We have a super trend 4 hour here, which is what, Eddie?
The support level.
Correct. That's a support level on the 4 hour time frame for the super trend, and this is also
the baseline, the stronger line.
Correct.
Yeah, support.
Correct. Now, if we had a super trend like this, Whittleton would jump on this trade. Yeah. if they look like that, bro, the super trend, like this even, it would look nicer, wouldn't it? But the reality is we have a cloud and it's getting penetrated like right now. As a matter of fact, the fact is nothing. There's no resistance up here. There's no conversion. There's no base. The blue is above the red. Therefore, we look for. What do we look for longs? So if this is here right now.
What? Wait. Say that again.
Blue
if the
above red, we look for.
Oh, blue above red. Yeah, long.
Yeah. Now, if this is a resistance.
Oh yeah.
If this is current resistance. Resistance. Scam pump, fake pump, and then into dump. If we close 4 hour up here, wouldn't it be nice if we just a quick one, a little scalp, just a couple of shekels, if a couple of shekels, if. Now this is a high probability trade. This is even a higher probability trade, but it's low risk to reward. So I'm not really interested in playing that shit. But this is a legit trade. If we have a nice 4 hour close above conversion, above the, obviously above the baseline and above super trend inside the cloud, edge to edge. What's stopping us? This. TP1 it. Put on break even there. TP1. Full TP. Above this is empty. What happens when the price is empty?
You just shoot up.
Like an elevator, because there's no one bidding there.
Yeah.
So what we want is a close here, a little move around here, and then just boom, and then we short again. We play it both ways. We prepared. Quick, bro, quick. It's gonna happen like real quick. Otherwise, XRP is another high trigger trade. We got the bear cross here. Price is still under conversion. I might close Matic and put it into XRP, if that makes sense. If I'm not comfortable in a short like this, I'll close it. You know what, as a matter of fact, I'll close it now. Why am I keeping things open when it's showing strength? Whittleton, is that strength, bro? I'm not blind, right? Like that's strength, right? Like that's starting to build strength. I know it's
starting to hold strongly above conversion, above base. If it's closing even above the super trend, we're done.
We're fucking done.
Too risky.
Therefore, and what do we do in trades that are weak? We close it. We take our loss quickly, and that is a $17 loss in an account that is trading $200 stop loss ability. It's ability, it can handle $200 stop loss easily. Now I'll close it quick, bro, because we're not, you know what, like Middleton is right. I'm not giving a fucking penny to the market. What's the point? Like be stubborn and having like shit like this and then wait, like oh, it's gonna go down for me. Who cares if it goes down? We'll go back in. I'll tell you when to go back in, yeah? If we start like going like that again and he does this, short it. Look, I treat you I literally wanna, like, this is what I talk about when I go and say high probability trades. High probability 2.97. Surely that's a risk to reward that a lot of people would play, right? More than 2%, definitely. More than 2.5, 2.97. This is a high probability trade. I would rather close the trade here, take an L, go back in lower, and sell lower. Same thing as I would do. If like buy high, sell higher. If my fuck, I literally like stream with one hand. Sorry. Like this. There's no shame in buying high and selling higher. I think if you go to any banker in the world and you ask them what their return is per year, they would agree that an 11% move is a great investment. Yeah. Now I've already removed $1,000 from the market on my challenge account, and what do? Do I like XRP? I want to wait for the XRP to close underneath this conversion in 1 hour and 33 minutes, and that's a very, very high probability trade. At this current time, I don't like garlic bread.
Okay.
Yeah, just this current time, bro. This is what I mean. You could have shorted from here. You could have shorted from here, or even here, but it's still in an uptrend. The uptrend is broken. We want to short it at a high probability rate. What's the trigger? Short scenario, wait for 4-hour candle to be trading under 4-hour conversion. I've already entered here. This is my entry. And I will play it upon my trigger. Just like how I went long on Tomo, I'm gonna do the same thing on XRP. Because what's gonna happen? If it starts pumping, then it fucking pumps. What do you want me to do? Like, very likely. Same with Tomo. Very likely that it can just do this. but we need to stay hedged in this shitty market and take profit very quickly. Hedge both ways and take the winning side and keep going. That's another a trigger that we like. What else? Matic. Remember this coin, yeah? Remember my entry, yeah? What was my entry before? I already forgot. I think it was something like this. Where's the super trend there? I'll get stopped out. Watch this. This was my previous trade, but BNB is very small risk. What do you think, Whittleton, on BNB? Are you in or not?
No, I didn't ensure my short that I posted even because I didn't have the right triggers,
On XRP?
right confirmations. On BNB, XRP, I mean, yeah.
XRP, you didn't enter.
I am in
Oh, you're
XRP. I'm still riding.
Okay, good. No, BNB you didn't, yeah?
Yeah, BNB is still like a question mark on it, and we'll see. Like, let's see how this candle will be done. Maybe an edge to edge.
Worst case scenario? 2.08. But no, my stop loss is very tight. It's at 225. 225. If I get stopped out, then so be it. Follow my system. Oh, no. Can't be. 2.5.5. 2.5.5. Yeah, I'm confident with this. Not as confident as I am with XRP though. I'll be honest. I prefer the XRP trade over the BNB any day. So I'll add. I'm willing to add to my XRP position if we close underneath conversion, or at least underneath this cloud. I'll double down.
You see those two candles there? Are those closed under conversion already? Or
Yeah,
those
they have.
three candles?
But
Yeah.
before
Okay.
I want to add more, I'm not going to add to a losing trade. Instead of me adding, I'll just close it. If it starts closing, like what if within the next 1 hour and 28 minutes, you know how fast the market moves. What if we just get like a green dildo and it just done this
Yeah.
after I open up a position? Better I wait and let it do that. Take out some shorts. Okay. We can even do this. Make it tighter. This makes me nervous. This. I would rather like previous. Yeah.
Yeah.
Instead of that, Eddie. There.
No, even I won't do that.
Like. There. Sexy. 5470. This is my stop loss. 5470. What's your stop loss, Whittleton? You're a little bit tighter, aren't you?
XRP. My stop loss on XRP, I have extended it a little bit,
yeah.
but it's almost like you, I think. Let me check.
I'm really safe here, but
If you want the accurate numbers.
Yeah, I'm very, very comfortable here with XRP. For me to be honest. Matic was the only one that I wasn't really comfortable with. BNB I am.
5430.
With an extra 40, like 40th, like 400th of a cent hurt, bro. Like really, just above the cloud.
Yeah.
It won't hurt. Regardless, That's it. I like this trade. This is the only trade that I like. It's this trade and this trade right now. Do you go? Oh, what's? Hello? What's going on with this coin? We'll see. Let's not get too cocky now. The market will humble you in very, very special ways that you don't even want to know how it humbles you. So far, I want to show you another trigger, a high level trigger trade. You look at the 4-hour time frame, yeah? You know how to trade already with the Ichimoku. Now you look at the slow, and now you look at the fast moving average. Fast moving average Ichimoku. This is, we call this the fast Ichi settings. Okay. In the fast Ichi settings, we got the bull cross, super trend, price above the obviously bull cross.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to climb up the cloud a little bit. Technically speaking, neither Whittleton or myself really likes these type of clouds, because what happens usually is it does this. Usually echoes, but I hope for this sake, I hope Whittleton is wrong in all respects to him, obviously. I hope he's wrong.
I hope I wrong as well, fam.
Because of course, because I'm in a trade. Of course.
It's a nice long.
It looks nice. It looks nice.
Yeah, it is. I wish it will play out. Like I'm watching this chart. I might get in. I'm still waiting.
There's no rush. There's no rush. We know this. The market rewards people with patience. And other than this, I don't know any other good trades. BTC is just playing around right now. And I already mentioned to Whittleton, above this box, all shorts are in danger. I even posted on my channel. That's how confident I am. Why is it in danger? We know this. Easily do this. Easily. But I'm going to respect the system. I faded my own system and I started losing. Now I'm gonna stick to what I know, and that is the Ichimoku and the super trend. That's it. This is a dangerous short. This is a safety short. High probability. High, lower high, lower high, break of trend, Kumo cloud above, like a bear cross. Like, what do you want me to say? Minimum TP1 here. This thing, these V lines always get filled. It happened in GMX as well, I think. Almost. Oh, I haven't seen this guy in a long time, Whittleton. Where's the super trend? Oh, there. This is very dangerous though. Like, very dangerous. This. TP1, TP2, or maybe like there. This is also another short that you can take based on the system. Now the problem is this. This is a straight line, isn't it? We don't play straight lines. Really high probability short here. Solana. I don't really like this. Well, look at the reason why I don't like it is well, I need it to move up a little bit more. What did I say before? Ocean is also another one. Where's Ocean? Ocean is a long trigger. I close all the charts here because I wanted to do a fresh chart. Have you been charting like this, Stunner?
Yeah, that's how you told me to do it.
Keep it like that.
So I just yeah, I chart according to the conversion baseline super trend.
Okay, good. Keep it like that. Oh dear. I don't want to overcrowd my chart because it's all the same. I mean, is it really worth it, this coin? I mean, it's not as nice. It's not as nice as Tomo. It's not clean. Yeah. Could be a short, but I don't know. If you have to think about it too much, it's usually not a good trade. So scratch this, yeah? But all I wanted to say is that we've been in a sideways market, but we can see some bullish sign there. Maybe just a 10% scam pump. Or 8%. That's it. TP1. And TP2. TP3. And if you were to enter like this, very tight. This is a scalp if it gives, but if you look at this, yeah, look at this, all right, compared to how clean, like how clean this is. Charting is not supposed to be hard. It's not supposed to be complex. If it doesn't look good, it's usually not a good trade. Make sense? Edge to edge. Too many resistance. Literally one, then boom. Literally here, straight here. So, yeah. Any other charts? OP. Big short coming soon. Daily. 3 days. Oh man. Oh man, this is a really text 3 days C, 3-day conversion. This can be targeted as well here. I'll just do this. How much? Okay. That's one. Do you know why here? These bends are liquidity to be grabbed, and surprisingly, it matches order block as well here. Yeah? That's one. Weekly. Very unlikely. Very unlikely. But we bear crossed here. See this bear cross?
Yeah.
Not looking good, bro. Just for my reference only, yeah? label it if you're I'm marking this so I can know in many different time frame. Okay, make notes. It doesn't have to be just this. Look, make notes. Make your charts very, very easy, just so you know when you go in lower time frame, you know what the fuck to do. There's nothing really more interesting on that. Now let's see what else do we see here. Where's the conversion? Hide. One day conversion. 3-day conversion also. 1 day base. Okay. Mention as well. 1 day bear cross. TK bear cross. Therefore, as long as price stay underneath this, it's over. Which is why OP is looking pretty bad, boys. I can't really say anything more than that because it speaks for itself, doesn't it? Where's the super trend? Did I miss anything? Where is it? The daily super trend? Yeah, it's above. Unnecessary, yeah? You don't need to chart this, but if you wanted to, 1 day ST, check 3-day ST. Yeah, man, it's coming. 3-day ST, weekly, it's over. Easy. You can play continuation here. I mean, you could always add more, but always less is more. You don't really have to. Once this line breaks, this is gonna crack like really quick. So ideally speaking, this can be touched. This is green, but it's curling down, which is why Middleton didn't really like this. Where is it?
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's weak.
Yeah.
It's weak. But it's not strong either. But there's a lot of other evidences that show that this is strong. This is the only downside. Now, with what was it before that I was showing? What coin? I already forgot. OP.
OP. Yeah.
Yeah. At least this is going downwards, right? That's not good, but this is matching to similar to as the other one. So with that being said, can we dare to play continuation here? Is it risky or is it not? Fuck, we should have entered on that pump before. Aiming 3-day super trend, 3-hour trade. I think so. Clean? It's pretty clean. Let's see if we can add more confluence. Yeah, scary. There. I have a choice. I'm equivalent here in my longs than in my short. I want to hedge another short. I can either add to XRP or short OP, because according to Ichimoku, this will continue downwards and this will break, because this is not really a strong support, is it? So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this trade. Targeting these lows, I mean, I'd be pretty happy if it did that, but I'm a little bit being a little bit what's the word, unrealistic here. This is very realistic. Yeah, very realistic. Let's go to daily. So what do you think? We got a bear cross on the daily, a weak support there, possible TP1. Even as TP1, that's a 5% move. Full move is 19%. That's OP. You can always DCA and put like 1% here if you want to fade this plan. You could enter 1 here, 1%, 1%, or like 1% or 1.5 here, 1.5 here, and then wait for it to do this. Add another 1% and let it move downwards easily. What do you think, Whittleton?
Might, yeah. Looks nice. It's got all of the confirmation almost, so just a matter of time.
Now, if we're talking about triggers, it would be nice if we're talking about triggers, yeah? It would be nice if we can have an entry like this. It would be nice. That's just me though. Like, I would prefer this. You know my style. I want to wait for some shorts to be liquidated before I go in. See what happens if I fade my own plans.
Hey, can you look at Bake, the coin?
I can. Give me a second. Let me just post this, because I think I'm gonna Instagram this. I'm really pessimistic about optimism right now. Pessimism. Give me a second. Looks pretty fucking juicy, that one, but anyway. I'll put it on the top of my list here. Short trigger. What are you saying?
Bake, B. I don't think you have it on your list.
I do. You would be surprised
Oh,
what
you
I
do?
have on my list. Bro, Bake is like my coin. Just wanna...
Really?
Yeah, bro. 1 second. just there. Much more better. This guy. Yeah. Go on. Oh shit, did I remove the indicators? Oh, here we go. Go on. What do you want to know?
Cause like what I can see now, it's like below everything. Below cloud, blue, below the conversion baseline, even below super trend.
What did I say?
So
I know what you're saying. But the blue line is above the conversion. Yes. I know what you're saying. But it's better. Wouldn't it be better?
Above the base.
Huh?
The blue line is above the base. The blue
Yes.
line is the conversion.
We would love for this to be the other way around. Yeah. It'd be nice. Like this would have been a fucking legendary trade here. Like here. But what are we targeting? What liquidity? It's just been a down only kind of movement, you know what I mean? Like this has been in a sideways market. I don't know what I'm targeting here, bro. Like me personally. Okay, let's do this. This is like I hate like.
But is it like for a short? Like, can it go like
Up?
A bit more lower?
Okay. Let's find out.
So like that.
Is the risk to reward worth the play? Is the question you should ask yourself. Yes.
Oh no, I won't play it, but I'm just like I wanna.
No, I'm talking
analyze
as a trader. As a trader, this is what you need to say. Like, is this worth the risk to reward? Wouldn't it be nice if you just fill this auto block up here? Sometimes the Ichimoku, you need to tweak it a little bit to have a nice. Oh, this would be a nice trade. Like this. And then you also have a nice super trend starting here as well. Yeah. Or you. If it was based on the system and you play momentum. Check.
So it can reach that level. Because I was just looking at it to see like how far it will go.
Why not? Why not? But it'd be nice if it closed down here. Do 1% there. Do 1% there. And that's super trend. You can. This would be like a continuation play. Why don't you play it? Put like 0.5% risk, just to see. But at the end of the day, triggers. Wait for the 1 hour to close under. I can enter here, but there's a huge chance that this might just go there. So you might as well just do this. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
baseline.
Just wait and see.
And then remember what I taught you about traps. Much better.
And playing that cloud as well.
Yeah, you wanna enter it after it's done its move, and that's the confirmation. You keep playing it downwards. Now this is a high probability trade. From a bitch trade to a high probability trade. That's it. High probability. Yeah. Now we have the move. Here, bro. Fuck. There we go. It's not the best. Anything else? While you finding what you want me to chant? Oh, my legs.
Yeah, because like I'm finding coins that are very like different. Like it's not
What do you say?
typical.
Different? What do you mean by different?
Yeah. Look at TRB as well. See how it just like spiked up.
Okay. Give me a second. Let me drink.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm good. You're crazy, man. How did you find all these trades, by the way, on the weekend? Did you just short everything that pumped? Was the luck, or what did you incorporate?
I waited for that candle. You know you said the second.
Engulfing candle?
No, not the engulfing candle. You see how there are two? Like, are you on thing yet?
Yeah,
No,
I'm
yeah.
back.
Yeah. Put the TRB and then.
Okay. Hang on, I'm gonna do this. Every time someone requests a chat from me, for your reference, I will put it on Traders Alpha. Okay. Continuation play. Fuck, is this thing going to... What's my timer doing? Give me a second. I'm getting a bit... What the fuck is going on with the market? Nah, I'm doing alright. Tomo, solo. Come on, push, baby. Meanwhile, this fucking coin is pushing down and Tomo is pushing upwards. Strange. The market's being very weird. Very weird. Huh, the more the power to me. Anyway, 1 hour. Trigger 1. trigger to. How do I do this? We'll do this. Okay. Continuation play. And then this one here. Short SL hunt into the real move. Like this. And then you add one more for aesthetics. Vedi will be very proud of me. Like this, and this one is just like this. Very clean, good for Instagram. Everyone's happy. Okay, let me explain it as well while I'm on stream. Okay. High probable trade after stop hunts are preferred. Taking retail out, showing us the real move. There we go. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Do you understand though why this trade is more high probable than this? Because the market knows that there's a lot of shorts getting built up here and people are trying to play continuation here, especially with the 1 hour.
So they want to take out those shorts by going back up there.
Yeah, they do. So what they do is, you know what I mean? Like they'll do this, right? From where the price is now. Okay. Let me just do it like this to make it more. Here we go. Oh fuck. There we go, like that, right? They take out the stop loss, eat all the money here, take people's money, move it upwards, stop more people, get them to long, because we are above resistance, reclaim as a support, right? So imagine like this, boom, boom, boom. You're gonna think that the market's gonna keep going to go there, to take this one out.
Yeah.
No. That the market's gonna say fuck you, okay? Because they're very rude, bro. And then they're gonna do this, like that. Get them to long, have some stop losses, and start pushing it downwards.
This is basing on the cloud, right? Like you can see how it's gonna kind of follow that shape.
Yeah. I'm basing on the cloud, but I'm also basing it on trading psychology and how the market thinks.
Yeah.
Because the market makers also see this.
Yeah.
That's why I just like, this is a high probable trade. Just to be clear, man. Just to be clear, if we close engulfing this, this candle closes underneath this, it's a very probable trade. We're just going to keep going downwards. Continuation play. Continuation play. You know what I mean?
But like you said, why would they do that if they can take out some?
Correct. Because
Like
they
people.
want to. Because the market needs liquidity. They need push. In order for it to push upwards or downward, there needs to be like help. How do you grab more sellers? Easy. Force them to long and then close their positions into liquidations. That's how you force to move down. This is how the market makers think. Retail don't see this. They see charts and they see, okay, that's how it's gonna be because the textbook says that. Fuck your textbook. He's laughing because he knows it's true.
It is.
Fuck your textbook. How many times have you looked at pattern and it just goes the opposite way?
Wow, man. Recently it happened a lot.
A lot, bro.
Patterns are nice, but in this period of time when the market is so choppy and no volume, they're
highly
meaningless.
Highly manipulation.
And the triggers is the thing that I think that we must focus on, because without those triggers we have high risk trades, and high risk trades, it means we're giving money for the market. I don't like this idea.
We don't like the market. We don't like the market. We don't. We steal from the market. We're a bunch of thieves. That's what we are. We make money both ways. We take money from the bears and the bulls. We have no agenda. Our agenda is to steal money. That's our job. That's your job. That's what we do here. It is, unfortunately. It's funny because it's true.
It is what it is. What can we do about it?
All right.
This is how the game works.
It is. So I'm going to post this as a tutorial. Okay. I think it's pretty clean. Thank
Looks
you.
nice, yeah. Looks very good, fam.
Like,
So you're saying this the right side, not the continuation, the right side is more probable.
risk 1% here. High probability trade as the market has enough liquidity to push the price down after trapping, after taking out shorts and trapping longs, forcing the longs to close their position, therefore therefore selling their coins at a loss. Risk 3 to 5% here. You see the difference? You see the difference I will
But
take?
what can this still do the continuation play to like won't people know the high probability trade on the right side already, like by now? Like when people like realize this will happen?
No. You'd be surprised on how stupid everyone is. I'm sorry, I said that live, but I'm just the reality. If this game was based on you know, on smart. And to be clear, I don't know about this until I've started doing this and getting destroyed. Oh, I look at them like, oh, what's going on? What's going on? I don't understand. Why the fuck do I get stopped out all the time? Depression, you know what I mean? All these things. Like, you can play like you can play this 1%. That's fine. But how many people are shorting here right now? Risk 1%.
I would short that. If let's say if I enter there, I would just short it.
Yeah, short it. 1% risk. That's fine. And that's fine.
No. I'm saying like, I would at that point.
Yeah.
Like,
you know what I mean? And then
Yeah.
this is what the market does, bro. The reality of the market is the reason why the color is green and red is because it's programmed by the smart people. When people see green, greed, they'll buy. When they see red, they'll sell. Because do you know how I know? I done that. You done that, and Wilton has done it.
Yeah.
I don't care what anyone says, everyone has done it. And the reality is the market preys on stupid people to put their money into the pockets of the rich. And that's how the rich gets rich. Look at the phone that you're holding right now. If you have an iPhone, I have one. You're a dumb cunt. There's nothing good about it. I just put money in Steve Jobs' wallet. Why? I don't know, because it just looks right. This just looks right. This looks uncomfortable. But this is the real move. This is what the market is all about. Really, it's just, you know, forcing people
anything to see with the conversion and the baseline there, like can that also help explain the high probability trade?
It's
like,
hard. Okay,
you know what I mean?
How about this?
Yeah.
How about this?
Is there like any explanation from the?
You wanna say? Well,
Yeah.
well.
Let's say there's no cloud. Let's say there's no Ichimoku cloud.
There's no Ichimoku cloud.
Yeah. Let's say yeah, that's gone. Yeah.
Well, that's easy, isn't it?
And
Well, that's easy, isn't it? Sell order block. But wait, you can't just sell order block. You need to wait to see the weakness, then you short it. You need to wait. This game is about waiting. You're not gonna short blindly here. You're not gonna short blindly here. You're gonna short blindly. You're gonna short with high probability there. You need to see a trend before you trade, because derivatives trader rely on trends. Because you know what? Do you know why we trade trends? Because it's highly probable. We don't counter trade trends. We follow trends because trends have a high probability of playing out. They're not. How many fuckwits down here shorted when the price is clearly going upwards? Destroyed, wrecked. People long here, and then this happened. Okay, the price is gonna go down. They shorted. Boom, push it back up. I'll tell you what happened here. I'll tell you what happened here. Same thing, bro. It's all about market psychology. I will teach you guys more about market psychology than technical analysis. Look at this shit. 100% they wanted to keep on shorting here. Okay, we're gonna short there. You know what I mean? The price is gonna keep on going lower. No, it's not. It's gonna keep going upwards. Destroyed everyone. Took everyone out. And then did the real move. The market is very mean, very manipulative. You just need to know how to steal from the right person. So that's just without the Ichimoku, that's how it works. Here, resistance, or even you can even do this. You want to short it from here. You can even short it from here. High probable. The point is to wait. Like, high probable trade. After stop hunts are preferred. Taking retail out, showing us the real move. Always. Even Emperor BTC approves of this. And he's like one of my idols. I don't even look at his post anymore, but he's one of my idols because he taught me how to trade a lot. That's it. That's that. Let's make it aesthetics to make it look nice. The post like this. Chart request by Stana. What else? I love charting.
What's the
TRB.
TRB? Yeah.
I can't believe this, man. Oh, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, see, that's what I mean. I mean, like, I don't know, like what's going on.
Bear cross, without doing the, without drawing anything at all. 1 hour, bear cross. Okay. Wait for this fucker to break this. Preferably trap more longs and then short. This should create like this guy to move downwards. Okay. And then it should force this guy to also move downwards. I'm not done. Okay. Now what you want, now this one, and then you will have a new, what's it called? Super trend. Once this goes down here, the super trend will be like this. Isn't it? Isn't it, Middleton? It's gonna look like this, isn't it? By the time this happens. According to our experience, this is what the chart will look like. With this, right, you would want okay, like you would want this. The entry would look like this. You enter here on this close below the conversion, below the base. The blue is above, the red the red is above, the blue is below, the super trend red is above. You can enter here or there. Let's say you do like a tighter one here. Okay, and look, oh, this is going straight down, man. If this does this. Maybe. That's maybe something like this. That this is probably like a better reason to short. More confirm. Do you understand this?
Yeah.
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 This is a higher probability trade.
This is the 1 hour yeah, time frame, right? So what if you put it on 4 hours?
Okay. I'll delete this now, yeah?
Yeah, delete.
This is just theory, right? Now ideally, you could hang on before we go there. If you've done this, it's probably gonna continue downwards, okay? Like this, like this, like that. You could short here, enter here, stop loss, play ball. Why? Simple. You want to wait for it to close below the support. Okay? And it'll probably keep going. Okay? This is the 1 hour. Okay? So two triggers, either go here or go here. Now, dead, destroy it, 4 hours. Boom, boom, boom. Oh wow. I don't trade this. It's wow, that's strength. Okay, let's do this first.
But see what I mean? It's a different story when you. That's how I wanna like understand.
You want to understand charts like this?
Yeah.
Look in shorter time frame. And fine tune it. It's funny what the power of 2 lines can do. It'll define your levels. Fuck. Nah, in the middle of nowhere, bro. Maybe even this. Like, I don't like it much here. I don't. There. This is what the levels are. Clearly why it bounced there.
Let me look at mine. Yeah, I have 12.94 as my. Oh, yours is 12.87.
You can fine tune it.
6.
There we go. You can fine tune it. 12.92. Happy? Now.
Yeah.
This is the range. This is the range that we're playing. Where's my pen? Okay, where's my pen? Here we go.
Yeah.
Triggers. Okay. This is the type of moves that you should aim for. Short, short, long, long. And then of course, obviously we got to move like this as well. You just have to play the levels. It's really hard, bro, to trade Ichi in a fucking market like this. Scam market. 4 hours doesn't like, it makes sense here.
Yeah.
And it also makes sense here. We close below this, we short. Like, it'll make sense, doesn't it? Because it'll be closed below conversion and base.
Yeah.
It'll continue and it'll be like a small move. Know what I mean? But sometimes we're in a ranging market like this, it's not really trending. If you want to look at Ichimoku completely,
Yeah, would it play the edge of the cloud over there? Like, would it go down to that?
who knows? We can only predict so much. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Now, It's really hard to play coins like this, man. It's very volatile, yeah. It's volakits.
Oh,
There. If you really wanted to, because, you know, daily wise, we are above the conversion. That's why it pumped. If you wanted to DCA and long, maybe you could just like do that. Just super trend. There we go. Perfect. Let's put it like that. TP1, TP2. But it has to be done here, man. The assassination needs to happen there. Yeah? There. Very possible. This is a nice trade. Do you know why? A lot of shorts has exited, and the people longing here as well. Now what we want to do is buy the liquidations of these people that are longing here, getting very horny, right? And then we buy it out. Add, then boom. 1%, 2%, like this, maybe. 1% here, and then 1% here. That's 2% up, move upwards.
What do you call that W? You know how like that, the W before the big move.
The double bottom,
Right.
the Whittleton.
The widow.
Yeah, but in general, like that stable area before like is it consolidation? Oh, okay.
No, a W is not a consolidation. It's it's an order block that hasn't been fulfilled properly. Let's say let's say a $10 million order was placed, but only like 50% got filled, and then one more at 50%. Boom, that's double the move, and then that's it. And once they have entered their position, they're gonna start pushing upwards.
Okay.
Whales push usually 3 times the first entry, second entry, and they start pushing it slowly, forcing the other positions to close, to cascade the position upwards or downwards.
Guys, I'm going off for a
Yeah.
bit. I'm going to do some things, and
Thank you, my bro.
I hope the market gives something.
Not too much, huh?
Nothing. Nothing.
Well, what do you mean, bro? We have XRP.
Yeah,
So
this is a how XRP is fine.
XRP
We
is
have
fine.
XRP for the rescue.
We have XRP for the short. Fuck BNB. I'm getting in 20 minutes. If you're in BNB short and we close above here, it's a scalp long. Anyway, I'll let you go, Whittleton.
Thank you very much for the
Bro.
time, for the stream, for everything.
Always
You guys
happy
have
to
fun.
have you. Happy to have you always, bro. Okay?
Happy to be here. Let's
No
go.
worries, man. Let's go. Take it easy.
Bye bye.
Bye, bro.
Bye.
Right. Okay. We're still working, don't worry. Now this Binance it's a fucking asshole coin, isn't it? It's doing solo jungle today, bro. It's solo jungling, look at him. By itself. Moving like, oh, it's moving 1% here. Oh, I'm so dead. Look how good we closed it earlier. Protect your income. That's it. What else?
I think that's it for now.
Do you have any more trades
Because
that
I'm
you
like
want to
very
enter?
tired. No, I'm not entering anything. I don't like the trades. I think I like the XRP one, not. Oh, and actually no, I like the Tomo one, not the XRP one.
No. XRP is probably good, man.
It's gonna be. I think I don't know. XRP is gonna be like Oh, you gotta wait for the.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that
not like it's not in yet. Like I'm already in from
yeah.
there, but it's a high probability trade. I'm happy. I stand where I stand, but Tomo is probably a good trade.
Yeah.
This is the best. This is the best trade I can give you guys today. Let's before I go, let's just do this. Where's my box? Where's my oh man, I need a YouTube editor, bro. I can't do this. I can. I'm just bitching. 4-hour candle. Let's name this one conversion to baseline play. Reclaim of previous support with a strong volume candle, aiming from conversion line blue, targeting baseline red. Okay. Like this.
For Tomo, do you still have to wait for a bit to see
No,
another
what for?
confirmation?
What? How many
Oh, it's,
confirmation do you want?
it's already above.
I
I
just
thought you
want
need like, oh, is that 3?
No, no,
One,
no,
two.
no, bro. That's a 4-hour candle. A 4-hour candle is
Oh.
sexy, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, this is previous resistance. A 4-hour
okay.
candle by itself with a body like this.
Oh, okay.
If it, you get me?
Yeah.
Like,
So you know when do we need like 3 confirmations? Like when do we need more confirmations?
nothing.
If it's a shorter time frame?
Hang on, bro. Hang on. Slow down, Tiger. Let
Okay.
me tell you something. One confirmation conversion to base. That's one. It's a wide gap. It is showing strength, but it's now showing weakness. Okay. If this is, hang on, you've been shorting so much. I think I need to invert the chart. You're such a fucking bearer. Look at this. But you've been shorting so much. I think this makes more sense to you.
Yeah, actually it does.
Yeah. Losing momentum.
But like let's say I don't see, it's not a big move. Let's say it's just a very stable up and down like Bitcoin. If you need like confirmations just from the candles, like how many confirmations would you need? Let's say it's not as clear as this.
Let's put it this way: if it has low evidence, then you invest little. You use small equity. It's like, have you played poker before?
No, not really. No.
Fuck, how do I explain this? I need to use a metaphor to explain always. Fuck, you don't gamble.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, well, you're a derivative trader now. You are a gambler. It's called technical gambling. Fuck. Okay.
No,
Look,
it's
listen.
okay. But just in general,
The more evidence you can provide, the more money you put.
Yeah.
The less evidence you provide, the smaller your spectrum of risk is. High probability, put more risk.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. But I mean, like, just in general, how do you confirm?
I have so like
okay.
even this trade has a
So
lot of
you need
confirmation.
other. Okay. So not just.
Not
Let's say
just
there's nothing
candles.
else in the.
Then don't trade it.
Okay. Oh, okay. I get it.
Like with Ocean, I tried charting Ocean before, but I didn't enforce it, didn't I?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There's this that started charting it, but I'm like, okay, there's one there. Like, what am I gonna put? Like 1% there. That's one evidence. Future cloud bullish. One evidence. Future cloud bullish. This in 21 minutes is very probable that this trade will close. This candle will close above this conversion. Price is above the price is above the cloud. Bullish. Bull cross here. Bullish. So that's already 3 evidence. So it's still not enough because we have this as a strong resistance. So what do? We put 1% here, and then we put another 1% here. Or we'll put like 0.5% here, and then we'll put 1% here.
Okay. But you were saying before, so the 4-hour candle is one good confirmation.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
what if it's a 1-hour candle? You know what I mean? Like, is that
in a 1-hour candle? Then you look at the 1-hour chart.
So
look like this.
Okay. So then you play the shorter time frame.
Yes. You could.
Okay.
I wouldn't even enter there. Oh, the fact that we already closed here above the super trend.
Yeah.
Or sort of, or we are trying to. You can add 1% here. Slowly.
Okay.
When it comes to trade management, you have to be able to know when you're right and when you're wrong. When you're not sure, just risk small and then add size when you're bigger. I like add size if you're right. Like XRP, I'm feeling it. Okay, maybe I'm not feeling it that much, especially if but still, there's still enough evidence here. Trendline broken, super trend here. Kumo cloud here, stop loss is up here. Very high probable trade. I could even add, like, if I haven't opened up a trade yet, I could easily open this as like a 1% here, 1% here, and 1% here. Why not? Remember what? I swear to God, I'm gonna keep referring this. Like, the top tier BlackRock traders only get the entry 20% right of the time, the exact entry.
Yeah.
Everyone else has to iron it out. You know what I mean? Like, if it's messy, you just have to iron it out.
Yeah.
So how's my FOMO? Are we feeling the FOMO? That's it from me. Anything else, bro? I'll still be around. I just want to be in bed. About 18 minutes. Check the chat. Tomo is a good trade. I'll just do this, and I'll just do this. Order block. I'll copy into. Why not? Hang on, let's do that. Copy, paste. There we go. Do this, and maybe we do this. Maybe like this. There we go. Okay, copy, delete, paste. Okay. Nice. Okay. This is the trade for today.
Yeah.
This trade I am taking. That's it. Where's active trades? Where is active trades? Here we go. Let's enter the trade. What else, bro? Anything else?
Nah, I gotta go to bed, man.
Okay, bro.
Thank you for the
no
lesson.
problem. Always around for you, bro. Thank you for coming on.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, I'm going to sleep after this, so yeah, I'm done basically. If you need anything, you know, I'm always around.
Okay, I'll go off now.
Alright, take it easy, brother.
Alright.
See you,
You
man.
too. Good night.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
1.3195. No worries, bro.